Why are investors being told to buy XRP before an Elon Musk announcement? In the crypto market, anticipation often matters more than confirmation. Prices do not always move when news is announced. Instead, they often move before the announcement, driven by speculation, narratives, and future expectations. In this video, we are going to talk about a bold claim that has captured investor attention, where a crypto pundit urging investors to buy XRP before Elon Musk makes a major announcement related to the future of X. This narrative does not claim that a partnership already exists. Instead, it focuses on alignment between Elon Musk's publicly stated vision for X as a global financial platform and the technical design of XRP as a real-time digital payment asset. Understanding this distinction is critical because markets often price possibility long before certainty arrives. So, what did Elon Musk here reveal about his financial vision for X? Elon Musk has repeatedly described X as more than a social media platform. In a video shared by crypto commentator John Square here, Musk openly discussed his long-term ambition for X to become a financial super platform capable of handling money at a massive scale. He stated that if executed correctly, X could potentially represent half of the global financial system, or at least a very significant portion of it. What makes this statement powerful is not just its scale, but its direction. Musk emphasized that X would not function like a traditional bank. Instead, he described it as the most efficient database for money. This implies instant processing, minimal friction, and a system designed around speed and accuracy rather than legacy financial limitations. From a market perspective, statements like these fuel speculation because they hint at a future where digital native financial infrastructure replaces slow, outdated systems. When markets hear this, investors begin searching for assets that already meet those technical requirements. So, why does Musk focus on speed and fraud reduction matter to crypto markets? Musk also stressed three operational priorities that immediately resonate with blockchain advocates: real-time processing, minimal fraud, and seamless handling of money-related activity in one location. These priorities are not theoretical. They represent real problems in today's financial system, including settlement delays, high fees, and fragmented platforms. For the crypto market, this language is significant. It mirrors the core value proposition of blockchain technology, which is fast settlement, transparency, and reduced resilience on intermediaries. When a figure like Musk emphasizes these traits, investors naturally begin aligning his vision with existing crypto solutions that already operate this way. The market impact here is psychological as much as technical. Investors start repositioning portfolios toward assets that could theoretically plug into such a system, even before any official confirmation is made. So, why is XRP being mentioned in this narrative? John Square points to XRP because of its design philosophy. XRP and the XRP ledger were built specifically for speed, efficiency, and real-time settlement. Transactions on the XRP ledger settle in seconds, cost very little, and are already used in cross-border payment infrastructure through Ripple's enterprise solutions. These features closely resemble the characteristics Musk described for X future financial engine. That alignment is why XRP enters the conversation, not because of insider knowledge, but because of technical compatibility. And in speculative markets, compatibility often becomes a narrative catalyst. The market impact is clear. When investors believe an asset fits a future use case, demand can increase long before adoption occurs. This is why XRP draws renewed attention whenever discussions of large-scale financial platforms emerge. So, is there any confirmation that X will use XRP or blockchain technology? It is crucial to separate vision from verification. As of now, there is no confirmed evidence that X plans to integrate XRP, the XRP ledger, or any blockchain technology at all. Musk has not announced a crypto partner, and X has not disclosed its future payment infrastructure. Square's argument is analytical, not declarative. It suggests that investors should examine which assets fit Musk's stated goals, not assume that a partnership already exists. This distinction matters because speculation can drive prices upward, but lack of confirmation can also introduce volatility. From a market standpoint, this creates a classic speculative environment where upside potential exists, but expectations must be managed carefully. So, how does regulatory clarity strengthen XRP's market position? XRP enters this conversation from a much stronger position than in previous years. In 2025, Ripple formally concluded its legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This resolution removed a major cloud that had hung over XRP for years and provided regulatory clarity that many digital assets still lack. For large platforms considering financial integration, regulatory clarity is not optional. It is essential. Assets with unresolved legal status introduce risk, while those with established compliance frameworks become more attractive. This development strengthens XRP's credibility as a payment-focused digital asset, not just a speculative token. Market-wise, regulatory certainty reduces long-term risk perception, which can support higher valuations during periods of renewed narrative interest. So, why are investors being told to act before an announcement? The core message behind buy before the announcement reflects a well-known market pattern. By the time news becomes official, much of the price movement has already happened. Markets reward early positioning, not late confirmation. However, disciplined investors understand that preparation does not mean blind belief. It means recognizing narratives early, evaluating their plausibility, and managing risk accordingly. XRP sits at the center of this dynamic, positioned by design, but still awaiting any direct linkage to Musk plans. And finally, my own personal opinion about this is that this narrative highlights both the opportunity and the danger of speculative markets. XRP clearly aligns with many of the qualities XRP Musk, many of the qualities Elon Musk described, and that's speed, efficiency, and real-time settlement. That alignment alone makes it worthy of attention. However, alignment is not confirmation. Investors should treat this narrative as a strategic watch list signal, not a guaranteed outcome. If X does move toward blockchain-based financial infrastructure, XRP will be likely be part of the conversation. But until official announcements are made, discipline matters more than hype. The smartest approach is not blind accumulation, but informed positioning patience, and awareness that markets price stories long before they price reality. And this finally ends our video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.